Pizza Hut promo codes top 3 discounts. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on Pizza Hut promo codes. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first website for Pizza Hut promo codes is Business Insider. So go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Business Insider Pizza Hut promo code and tap on the first link shown to you. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see various promo codes. Tap on the promo code that suits you the best. In the pop-up that appears, tap on Copy Code button and further paste it in Pizza Hut checkout process. The next website is Groupon. So in the search bar, search for Groupon promo code Pizza Hut and tap on the first link there. And in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the C code button. In the pop-up that appears, tap on the copy button and with this the code sent to you will be copied. The third website is Retail Me Not. So tap on the search bar and search for Retail Me Not Pizza Hut promo code and tap on the very first link shown to you. You will then be able to see a bunch of promo codes for Pizza Hut. Go ahead and tap on the code that suits you the best and with this, copy the code further and these are the 3 websites for Pizza Hut promo code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.